Hello there, it's June 5th, and it's a pouring rain monsoon day. I just wanted to show you. I can hardly hold the door. Wow. It is pouring. Monsoon, high winds. We're talking, geez, oh crow, it's probably, water's blowing in sideways here. It's probably blowing like 35, 40 miles an hour gusting, you know, at least a steady 28, 29, somewhere in there. I used to have an anemometer. I'm afraid to. Alright, there we go. That's about the best I can do without getting the camera drenched. Anyway, it's ugly out there. Really nasty. So anyway, that's today's weather from way up here at Vermont, at the Canada border, that is. Oh, it's just craziness. Peace!